Hello, I'm Damian from DAGO Express. You want to earn money with courier deliveries, but one big question remains. How do I register my courier business in the UK? What do I need to enter in the form? What does it cost? And what happens next? Before we get into it, give this video a quick like, subscribe for more courier tips, and let's get started. If you want to know the full step-by-step process, stay tuned. I speak regularly with drivers who want to start with us, and many of them say, I haven't registered yet. I'm not sure how it works. Others ask things like, do I need to register as self-employed? Do I need to set up a company? Do I need VAT registration? And that's completely normal. Registering properly is the first official step to working independently as a courier driver in the UK, and that's exactly why I'm going to show you everything today, from registering to what happens afterward. No theory, just practical steps you can follow. Let's start with the basics. In the UK, registering your courier business usually means you're setting yourself up officially so you can work legally and pay tax correctly. For most new courier drivers, the simplest option is registering as a sole trader, which means you're self-employed and you'll register with HMRC. Some people also decide to set up a limited company through Companies House, but if you're just getting started, sole trader registration is often the fastest and easiest route. So do you need to register? Yes. If you're delivering parcels and getting paid for it and you're self-employed, you'll usually need to register with HMRC so you can report your income properly and stay compliant. Now, how do you register? You register as self-employed with HMRC so you can complete your self-assessment tax return. The process is straightforward. You'll provide your basic personal details, like your name and address, your national insurance number, when you started working, and what type of work you do. So you can enter something like courier services, delivery services, or transport of parcels. This step usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes online. And the good news is that registering as a sole trader is normally free. After you've registered, a few important things happen next. You'll need to start keeping simple records of your income and expenses, because when it's time to file your self-assessment tax return, you'll report how much you earned and what you spent to do the work. Depending on how much you earn, you may also need to think about VAT registration, but that depends on your situation and income level, so it's always a good idea to get advice if you're unsure. Many courier drivers also choose to arrange the right insurance for courier work, especially if you're using your vehicle for deliveries, because being properly insured matters. And once you're set up, if you want to get more courier jobs, you can register with us at DAGO Express. You'll upload your documents in your driver profile, we'll review everything, and once you're approved, you can start taking jobs. There are no registration fees and no fixed costs. You decide when you drive and you decide which delivery jobs you accept. Now it's your turn. Get registered properly, set yourself up the right way, and start earning as a courier driver in the UK. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
DAGO Express.